there are clinics in the state. Joan Larson has a clinic near Chicago where she treats alcoholics and other addicts using the combination of AA, that's Alcoholics Anonymous, plus the use of vitamins. And she is finding 80% success rate. 80% of her patients after treatment do not go back to their addicting combo. It's amazing.
I was speaking with Oscar Falcone of Nutri.com, and he used to sell these heroin and drug addiction rehab kits of vitamin C and niacin, and the FDA eventually came down on him and he had to go to court. He was actually defended by Erwin Stone and Robert Cathcart and Linus Pauling, and they came down on him hard. He had to stop selling them. Do you have any idea why they would want to stop something that would work?
Well, they do that all the time. That's nothing unique. Give me an instance where they would promote the sale of something that does work, except drugs. The FDA works very closely with the drug industry, and they have their regulations. The regulations are that you can't advertise anything until you have spent millions and millions of dollars proving to them that it's safe. And they go to ridiculous extremes. I'll give you an example. David Horban, a very famous scientist, friend of mine, working in the field of schizophrenia with the essential fatty acids, he developed a skin test, a skin patch test for diagnosing schizophrenia. And what you do is you put a plastic strip on their skin containing different concentrations of niacin. And when you have schizophrenia, the area under that pocket doesn't turn red. If you're normal, it turns red. There's a flush. Now that means applying a tiny amount of niacin to the skin for 5 minutes. The FDA has not allowed them to release it yet because they claim it hasn't been proven to be safe. And here they're allowing Vioxx, which probably killed 60,000 people worldwide. They're allowing that to come back on the market with just a warning label, a black label. So there's something totally wrong with with the basic philosophy of the FDA. And in fact, some of their leaders have said that their job was to promote the sales of the drug companies. Their job should have been to protect the safety of the public, but that's not what they do.